Welcome to Garnet Equipment Production Line. This is our hot-selling product, 3 rollers dry type magnetic separator. These are the completed products for the customer orders. The products are undergoing pre-shipping testing. The 3 rollers dry type magnetic separator uses the magnetic source from high-performance permanent rare earth elements neodymium, iron, and boron through aggregation. It has 3 roller shafts and 3 motors with variable frequency speed regulation, including an electrical control panel box. The magnetic field intensity can reach 1300 to 11,000 gauss. The number of rollers can be customized according to the customer's requirements, ranging from single roller, double rollers, 3 rollers, 4 rollers, 5 rollers, and so on, depending on the customer's specific quantity needed. This machine is advantaged in lightweight, high magnetic field intensity, low power consumption, stable performance, and wide applications. It is easy to install. It is simple to operate. It is very convenient to separate at monazite ore, ilmenite ore, garnet, zircon tin, tantalum, manganese, etc. from the mixed sand mining, as well as for removal of irons from non-metallic materials like quartz and feldspar.